Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how to insert a SIM card at a Huawei Y7 in the version of 2018. So what we need next to the phone is the pin to remove the SIM tray. It is part of the box, you will see it here. You enter the box like this, to pull it out like that, and then you are able to remove the pin. Okay, otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, so this is the front, then you have on the side the SIM tray here. And there's a small hole in here, and the hole you have to enter with the edge of the pin or with the edge of the paper clip. Just go in there, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. And as you can see, if you have the dual SIM version, you can enter 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. So you can use also just 1 SIM card if you want, so it doesn't matter. So missing corner. Contacts are below. And if you want to put the second SIM card, put it on the second position. It's a bit tiny, take care that nothing jumps out. So also missing corner. And the contacts are always below. And if you want, it's also optional, you can add also a micro SD card. It has to look like this if you want to complete it, but it's you can do it, but you don't have to do it as you want, as you need it. And the contacts are below. Okay, let me put the full construction now back into the phone. Be careful that nothing jumps out. Like this a bit, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. It would be very nice if you can leave me a very nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much. And yeah, if you want, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this, and maybe until next time. Ciao.